Hey Liv, what are we doing today?
We are going to do the doggy Roomba Treat Challenge.
What's the doggy Roomba Treat Challenge?
We are going to turn on a Roomba,
Which is
a cleaner for the floor.
yeah, the floor vacuum that moves by himself. Hi Bashi, welcome to the video. You're never in the video.
Yeah, welcome to the video, BSG.
Okay, so we are going to put a treat on the Roomba, and we're gonna see which puppy, Bashi, puppy number 1, number 2, Oliver, and number 3, Louie, if they stop playing. Right, Bashi?
Playing their game.
Okay, so we're gonna see which one of these guys can grab the treat from the Roomba while it's moving. And then we're gonna see who grabs the most treats from the Roomba. And then we're gonna have a winner at the end.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get started. Ready, Louie?
Yeah.
Ready, Oliver?
Yes.
Yes, he's ready. Okay, let's get started.
Yep.
After these guys stop. Okay, so we have the treat on the Roomba. Let's see who grabs it.
Oh no.
Ooh!
Bash got it.
Basher got the first one. Good boy, Bashy.
You're finally in one of our treat games.
All right, let's put that on again. Oliver, what happened? I thought you were gonna get the first one. What happened? Good boy, Bashy. He's actually participating. Oh my gosh, Bashy took treat number 2. What is going on here? Bashy's showing up on the video. Cookie's locked in. Hector's out there. All right. To number 3. Lily!
I'm like, wait a
Lily
minute.
got the second one. Oliver, what's going on? What is going on, Oliver? No cheating. Let's do number 4.
Bashy.
Basher.
Bashy.
Basher, I'm going to have to take you out.
What?
All right, here's the next one. And we'll put it right there.
So,
Who took it? Louie?
yeah.
Louie took it? Louie? Oliver, what is going on? What is going on, Oliver? Oliver, come on, buddy. Come on. Let's try to make it a little bit. No. I am going to do it a little hard this time, though. I'm going to put it on the front. Oh, it's stuck now. Oh my gosh, Bashy grabbed it. Yes, from the front. Okay, there's no more treats there. So we're going to put another one. Liv, grab another one. Betsy, you want to play? No. Okay, I'm going to actually grab Bastion because he keeps stealing them all. So let's see what happens here. Louie grabbed it from the middle.
From the middle?
Yeah.
I'm ready to count how many.
Good job, Louie. Okay.
Basher has 6.
I thought Oliver was going to win this game.
What?
Oliver has 0.
Yeah, I'm writing it down.
And it's ready. Bashy, I'm going to hold you. Bashy, you're stealing all of them. Okay, I'm going to hold Bashy for a little bit, Liz. So let's see what happens between Oliver and Louie. Aw, yeah, let's see what Oliver does. I think we already know who the winner is. Right?
Bashy?
Yeah. Bashy's the winner. Okay, let's see if Oliver can do it. Roomba, get out of here. Roomba, go over there. Hi, Bashy. Roomba, go over there.
Lulu's in timeout.
Okay, let's see if Oliver can do it.
He's allowed to prefer it.
All right, we already know who got second place. Louie. Oliver, you got last. Come on, Ollie, you can do it. Well, he's still trying.
We'll give him a chance.
He's still trying to do it.
Everybody wins. Oh,
Yay, he finally got it. All right.
look at Lulu clapping.
Good job, Lulu. Lulu, you got second place. Good job. High five. High five.
Thanks.
All right, let's try it again with Oliver. Actually, I had no idea you were going to do that. All right, let's put it right there. Too easy, Louie. All right, Liv, grab another one. All right, put one down there. Oliver! Good job! Good job, Oliver.
Okay, that's
Louis?
your six.
Good job.
That's
Louie's waiting for another one. Right, Lulu? Lulu, are you waiting for your other treat to go on there? All right, let's try another one. Put it like towards the side or in the middle. Yeah. Oh, that's too hard. It's way too hard. Because it's stuck in the thing. Oh, Louie got it! Good job, Louie. Oliver's like, just give me one. Put it down. Louie got it. All right, let's try Oliver by himself. Come on, Oliver, let's play. Why are you scared, Oliver? Come on, come on. Let me see how you do. Okay? Here. Come here. Go get it. Go get it. Here, here, look. Look here. Look. I'll get back to that. Oh, he got it. Yeah.
so,
Bashy, you underestimated me, buddy.
he-
Never underestimate the underdog.
Okay.
He just didn't want to play the last couple games. That's all it. But he's really good. Very good.
Veggies taking that.
Now they're just going to follow the Roomba. Because they think there's food in it. Louie just stepped on it.
What?
Yeah.
I don't know what it is.
Louie. Yeah, now they're just going to follow it.
Basher has 6.
They probably think
One,
the
two,
food
three,
comes
four.
from it.
Okay, so Basher has 6, Oliver has 3. Louis
Bashy!
has
You are so ready for this game. High five.
1. Basher,
High five.
guess what? Basher and Louis are tied. They both
No.
have 6.
Well, Bashy,
One,
I'd say.
2, 3, 4,
Bashy
5,
still won.
6. 1, 2, 3.
All right, I'm going to do one more with everybody. See how they do.
Okay.
Okay? Ooh, I'm going to put one on each side. How about that?
Ooh.
Ooh, Louie stole it. Did you just take both of them?
Oh my God.
Louie took both of them.
Louis has 7.
So I don't know.
Louis has 8 points.
I would have to say, though, still.
Louis has
Sorry,
8
Albert.
points.
Did it hit your foot?
Louis has 8 points.
I know, but Bashy's still the winner. Because he had the most in the beginning.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Get Oliver. Have one for yourself.
That was fun.
It was fun, right?
Yeah.
Bashy, good job.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Touchy. Touchy won't play. One more, guys. Ready? Ready for the next one?
Let's see who wins at the end. Let's see who wins.
I'm gonna put it right in the middle. Louie grabbed it.
9 points for Lulu. Lulu did that. Bashy, you won. You won.
Bashy? Yeah. I couldn't believe though. No, hold on. Let Oliver eat some. Pobrecito. He didn't get to eat like any. So you
I'm
and
only
you.
about to get 3.
Good job, guys. Good job. Did you guys have fun? Was that fun? It sure was. All right, guys. That's it for the video.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
That's a fun game.
That's
Yeah, they liked it. They all enjoyed it. And if you have a Roomba at home, I suggest you do it.
yeah, and a dog, if you have a dog.
They won't be scared of it, right?
Yeah.
They won't be scared. They'll have fun, and
Probably baby puppy.
they didn't get mad at each other either on that. You see that? In the other games that they've played, they've gotten a little mad at each other.
Yeah.
And this one they didn't. So if you have a Roomba at home, I say go ahead and try it.
Yeah.
Right? Right, guys? Yeah. Did you guys have fun with the Roomba? I had fun with the Roomba. You guys had so much fun with the Roomba. And look, they're wagging their tails.
Everything's good. Roomba's under the car.
But another thing too is the Roomba is great if you have dogs and the pet fur from the fur.
Yeah.
Roomba
Especially
sucks it all up for you. Right? Right? Okay.
I can't believe
So that-
Basher won.
I know, Bashy.
You
Good
got
job.
a reward.
You actually participated in it.
He participated in it.
The underdog. And
And
he
then-
won. Good job, Bash. Give me five.
Four.
Give me five. Oh.
For his gift.
No fighting.
For his
Good
gift.
job, guys. Good boys.
For his gift, he gets this.
What is this gift? What is your prize, Bashy? Bashy, you get a panda. This is your gift, Bashy. Good job. First place.
Two for the
Oh,
underdog.
there's second place prize
Yeah.
and third place prize. Get Bashy playing with this prize.
Cookie.
Good job, Bashy.
This is gonna be your first new favorite friend. It's like tuna.
Bashy, I'm
This
so
one?
proud of you. And that's pretty much it for the video, right? Yep, that's the sign that this game is over. Thanks for watching.
Have a great day. See you later.
Bashy's playing with pride. Good boy, Bashy.
Good boy.
First place.